Are you looking for an effective way to increase leads and sales for your business? Do you want to grow your business and dominate your local market with online marketing? Nowadays, online marketing is overcoming traditional channels to become the best choice for local businesses. Customers in your area are looking for your product and services online, and an effective online marketing campaign will make your business stand out of your competitors, capture more market share, and achieve sustainable growth. We're here to make that happen. With years of experience providing affordable, effective online marketing services for businesses in multiple industries, we're confident we can help you achieve your business goals, whether you're just starting out or ready to take your business to the next level. From market research, competitive analysis, website development, SEO, social media, video marketing, reputation management, and everything in between, we will create a customized strategy that fits your business and take care every step to bring the ideal customers to you. So if you're ready to become the leader in your local market, contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation and take a step closer to online marketing success.